These are all battery operated clocks, but one of them has stopped working and it's the only one I really care to fix. They all use the same type of basic motor, and in this video I'll show you how easy it is to replace it. Even this bronze mantle clock can be repaired as well. As you can see, it's the same kind of mechanism inside. But this 40-year-old coin clock is the broken one, and I'll show you how to fix it. Because it's so old, it even has a different style of motor, but that's not a problem. To start, I'll take out the center pin. Yours might have a seconds hand in this place instead. No matter what you have, carefully pull this straight out. Then there's a small nut that needs to be removed. Now I can lift out the minute hand. Then gently take off the hour hand. Here in the center, there's another nut that's holding the motor to the back of the clock. I don't have a specific tool to use here, but these precision screwdrivers will work just fine. This step might not be necessary on your clock if the motor is clipped in from the back, and I'll show you examples of that later in the video. Here's the new clock repair kit I bought. This one comes with 2 motors, wall hangers, new hands, and hardware. To begin the motor replacement, slip a rubber washer onto the main shaft. Then I can insert this into the hole in the center. Now slip on a brass washer. And the only thing that will hold the motor to the back of this clock is this nut. The original motor was only stuck on with double-sided foam tape, which I also did use here to keep it from spinning around. And again, precision screwdrivers are really helpful here. Okay, now I'll pick clock hands that are the closest match to what was originally on my clock. I can't use the old ones because they don't fit on the shaft of the new motor. So the hour hand goes on first, then the minute hand. The kit also comes with several seconds hands, but I don't need it on my clock, so I'll just use the brass plug instead. So the seconds hand or plug goes in last. Now my old clock is repaired and working like new again. I'd say most clocks probably aren't worth repairing, but we still wanted to keep using this one. And here are some final notes. Most modern wall clocks have motors that are clipped in. It's the same with this one, but you'll have to remove the faceplate and clock hands before you can pop out the motor. And every clock is going to be different. No matter what size or shape wall clock you have, replacing the motor is something anyone can do. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.